All right, this is the Sicko Mode tutorial. Hopefully you guys saw the video, so you know why you're here learning this one. All right, so we're gonna wait. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna start when the lyrics start. So you're gonna be kicking out with the left foot. You're gonna go kick, step, step, and you wanna take it out there, okay? So that again. So 1, 2, 3. Da, da, da. Then you're gonna be picking up that right leg. You're gonna flick it over to the left side, kick it out front, and then step back like this. Okay, we're gonna put that together. So 1, 2, 3. Kick, step, step, flick, out, back. 1, 2, 3. Da, 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 da. With some arms. Okay, so when you kick out, your arms are gonna go out as well. When you step out, pa, arms are gonna go out like this, okay? When you kick across, there is no arm there because it's way too quick to do an arm. But when you kick forward, that right arm is going to follow the right foot, and then you're going to put your hand on your chest like this, yeah? And then from here, when he says am, we're going to turn and face the side, okay? So let's do that again. So we got 1, 2, 3. Da, 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 da. Ha. We're facing the side. That one more time. 1, 2, 3. Da, da, da. Do it one more time. 1, 2, 3. Da, 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 da. Ha, we face the side. Then from here, we're going to drag in that front foot, the left foot, and these arms are going to be up here. Sort of like cell phone hotline bling sort of style, okay? So we want to go back at high, then we're going to flick the leg back, and arms are going to go back as well, okay? And you want to go 1, 2, 3. Then that leg that's up in the air, we're going to jump on it and step out with that right foot. So you're sliding backwards, da, 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 kick, da, da. And when you jump and turn it over and we're facing over to the left diagonal front, you want to bring the fists around and you want to, fist palm into the hand, okay? You want to go ba, da. Then from here, you're going to be bringing over that right foot. We're going to go step and then step back, okay? So after you've gone back and high, school, I use, then we go bust it two. See how my arms are doing like this, like we're grooving, busting a move, but this is bust it to the dance. At the same time as you're doing that, you want to try and get your legs to do this nice little twisty Charleston sort of step, right? If you played Fortnite, I'm sure you know how to do the Charleston, but you want to go hit, hit. That's what you want to do there, okay? So back to here, we go back and high, school, I use, bust, two. Then from here, we're going to dip low, ha. We're going to face over to the right diagonal front, and then bring it in. We're facing right diagonal front, okay? So that again, we've just gone hit, bust it to the dance, ha. Cool, let's take it from the top. 5, 6, sorry, we wait. 1, 2, 3. She's in love, hip, hoop, ha, and ba-da-da. Hit, da, da, bust it to the dance, ha. Now we're going to be traveling over to the right diagonal front. What you want to do is go pop the leg, and then step out, okay? I'll show you that again. We're up like this. You want to flat with the back, pop the front leg up, heels off the ground. Pop the back leg up, heels off the ground. And then we're going to step it out, okay? The arms are from here, ha, ha. Bust it to the dance. Now I hit that FBO, I think the lyrics are. Now, when you do this one, you just want to go now. There's no arm there, it's just here. I hit, and then we pull that in, okay? So we've just gone dance, ha. Now, I hit. And then when we step out with that right foot, we go punch, punch, twist. Our body is facing over to the left diagonal front. And this arm is back here, so we can swing it into the next part. So bringing it back here, we go. Now, I hit that ba, ba, ba. Now that our body's facing over this way, we can look to the front with the head, and the arm is going to swing. But while we're swinging the arm, you also want to bounce as well. So you're going to go swing, swing, in front. That again. Swing, swing, in front. Even when you come to the front, don't just go to the front like this. You want to dip and bring it to the front, okay? Now, the first one, when you swing the arm, there is no leg change. You just want to go swing, Then from here, we crisscross the legs. So we just swap the legs like this, and then we take it back to where they were, ha, with the arm in front, okay? So you go, duffel in my hand. Then from here, this hand's in front, pretend you're holding a duffel bag. Then we let go. Then we go, ha, ha. You point to the side. That will connect all nice, okay? So let's just bring it back to that. Now I hit that FDO. So 5, 6, 7, and now I hit da, da, da. Duffels in my hand. Pa. Took a half. Good. If you guys need to go over that before we move on to the next part, do it now. And if you're back here ready to move on, we're going to move on. But let's go from the top. Piece it all together, then we'll move on, okay? So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. We wait. 1, 2, 3. She's in love with who I am. Da da da. Ha! I used to bust it to the dance. Ba. Now hit FBO. Ha ha ha. Took a half. This is the part that we're up to. So from here, we're leaning over to the right, but you want to step to the left, okay? So ha, ha. You want to go step, step behind, okay? Took a half a zan, 13. So again, took a half. Now when you step to the side, you want to do these like, for lack of a better word, Egyptian sort of arms, yeah? So da, 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 what? Then we're going to jump in front with this left leg, and it's just like, leg like this, leg like this, leg back to this, okay? So we're going da, 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 jump, jump, down. We bring it down. There is some arms. We call these skiing arms. Took a half. Now, the skiing arm here, when you jump out, the arms are going to blade and slice over to the left side, and then when you swap, blade and slice over to the right side, and then land. Pretend you're a plane, and you're landing. It fits with the lyrics, trust me. So, we're just going, duffels in my hand. Took a half a ha, 13, ba, 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 ha. We're here. This is my favorite part that we're up to now. Till I land. Knock me out. Oh, knock me out. We wait. Knock me out like a light. Watch my footwork again. With land, we're going to hop onto the right foot. Pa. Left leg comes up. Then we do a pas de bourrée. Yeah, step, step, flat. Watch that again. Ha. Knock me out like a light. My arm slam there. Then we go. Ay, ha. Then from here, we're going to hop in with that left leg. The right leg will come up. Ha. Da, da. We step back, okay? So watch this timing again. We go, had me out like a light. Ay-ya. We hop onto it on like a light. Now, see when I hop into it as well, my arms are here, but when I throw my body into it, my arms will do like this mad arm crunch or ab crunch of the leg and arm. Then we go light. Now this part here, we're leaning into it. It's almost like you want someone to knock you out like that. So you're leaning out, giving your cheek over to them, and then they knock you out like a light. See what I did there? Okay, so from here we go pa. As we're coming over, we're going to shunt over, and we're going to bring that arm over as well. Okay, so let's just take it back to land. So we've landed. Land. Knock me out like a light. Ay-ya. Like a light. Ay-ya. Now this part, it's a step, step out. You want to pick up the left leg. Step, step out. And we face the front, okay? So we're facing the side. Left leg. Da, da, da. You want to jump out that last step. Yeah? Da, da, da. At the same time, this one's a little bit tricky. You want the hand to go over your head like this, and then you bring the elbow around to face the front. I'll show you that again. So the arm is here, bring it over to the ear, elbow comes down, so now your hand's on top of your face like that, and then you bring it down there. When you put it together, whoom, you go da da da. Okay, I'll show you that again. Whoom, da da da. Then he'll say, slept through the night, or slept through the flight. Slept through the flight. So from here, we go slip, we step forward with the left leg, and then we sleep to the left side, step forward with the right leg, sleep to the right side, and then we land. Flight. Another flight. So after we've gone da da da, we go slip through the night. Then from here, this is a really quick twist with the heel, and we're jumping back on the left foot. And you want to go twist on the heel with the right. This is all we need to stay at. Okay, so from here, we jump back with the left, ha. Then from here, I want you to hop back on the right foot, ba. Okay, and lift the left leg up. So we've just gone night, ha, ha. And this arm is ready to punch forward. Okay, we've done a massive chunk there. Let's take it back to duffles in my hand, okay? So, da, 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 we're here. We go, duffles in my hand. Took a half a Xan, 13 hours till I had me, ha, like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy, like a light, slept through the flight. Then this is really quick, ha, ha. Yeah, so you go, slept through the flight, pa, pa. Now we're up to this part. But if you need to take that back and go over it, I don't blame you. This routine is super hard. It is really, really hard. And it's fast as well. And to top it all off, you're dancing to the lyrics and not the beat. So it's really hard to count it. If you know the song, you're already a step ahead, which is great. So maybe go over the lyrics as well. Go over the dance. If you're ready to move on and you're here waiting for me to move on, I'll do so right now. But you guys, you're doing a great job. You're doing a really, really good job. Trust me, I know. I can feel it. I can feel it through the screen. Okay, so we've just gone, ha, ha. We punch it and we go, knock for the night, ha, and we come up. So watch that again. We've just gone twist, hop. We go punch. We step with the left leg, ba. We step with the right foot there. These arms are over here. You're covering your face there. Then you're going to push it around, drag the right leg back, and you want to also open up with the arms there as well, yeah? Open up, ha. You lift up onto your toes, and then we fall into it. You're going to fall into it with the left foot. You go step, step behind, jump out, cross, right leg in front. That's important. And then we turn. The turn is not a fast turn. You still want to get around, but you've got like 2 or 3 counts to get around. The steps before it, mind you, are super, super fast. So we've just gone round, ha, left leg, da, 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 ha. Okay, and you got time to stop here. Okay, we'll do that one more time. We'll go from knock. We go knock for the night, ha, da, 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 boom. We're facing the front. From here, easy step here, stanky leg basically. But when you do your stanky leg and then step, step, when you do the stanky leg, the arm is going to follow it as well. So you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and we cross the arms there. I'll share that again. This is after the turn. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, we're going to flick the leg in front. Ha, okay? So arms across here. When you kick the leg, ha. Then we're going to go up. Da, da. Okay, watch this again. So we've just gone stanky leg, ha, 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 ha. Notice I go cross. The leg is still off the floor, then I bring it down, okay? Then after that, think dabs, but they're not dabs. They're more like cuts. And you want to go cut, cut. Okay, so watch this. We've got the cross arm here. We go la, da, da, ha, ha. And when you do those leans, you want to go jump, jump. It'll be so much easier if you jump on it, okay? So we've just gone stanky leg. We'll go stanky leg. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. It's very quick, okay? But to finish that off on 8, this back arm here is going to go 8, 1, okay? So you're just going cut, cut, hey, over the top, and we're going to creep forward. So let's just bring it back to the stanky leg. We go 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and we creep 1. Okay? Moving on to the next spot. He'll say, Crip through the block, made a right, cut the light, and we're nearly at the end, okay? So, we've just gone, hey, the leg is up. We're gonna step on it. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the first one is 2 bounces. 1, 2, 1, and then you want to pick it up so we can step on it again. 1, 2, okay? So we've just gone cut, cut, A, I crip through the block. Mater. Now this right leg is out, but you want to step on the left leg to go right, yeah? You want to put it down, da, da. Yeah, we all love that step. So let's do that again. We've just gone crip through the block. Made a right. Then from here, we're going to cut it. Ba. Yeah, so as soon as you go made a right, ha. See how when you cut this one here, da, da, we're facing over to the left diagonal front. Then here, straight away, we turn and face the right diagonal front, and then you bring it down. Okay, so let's go creeping again. 5, 6, 7, go. Crip through the block. Made a right, ha, ha. Now we cut the light. So when you cut the light, you're gonna go cut, ha, okay? So from here, legs are in. This hand is here, cut underneath it. Cut the light, okay? So from here, cut, light. See how when I go up with the arm, my body goes up with it, and then the light is there above your head, shining down. Knees like this, cut the light. Then from here, very, very last step. I'm sweating like a dog. And hopefully you guys can't see that, but I am drenched. Lucky I wore a black shirt. So from here, hands are up here. Then we go step, tap, step, up. Okay, and you know what groove is coming. Step, cut. It's that same sort of cut arm there. Step, cut. And then you put your hands up in the air. Ha, ha. And you just shake your legs on that. Ha, ha. Yeah? So we've just gone, let's creep down the block, okay? So 5, 6, and 7, and creep through the block. Made a right, ha, ha. Then we cut the light. Cut the light, we wait. Then we go, boom, pay the price, ha. And that is the whole dance. Wow, that was quick. Can I just tell you that normally this routine, you would take probably 2 lessons of an hour class to learn this whole thing. So if you guys need to go back and do it again, why not? You can do it, right? Just take it at your own pace. The beauty of this is that you can do it wherever you are at your own timing. I suggest that you do bit by bit, maybe just a bit daily, and then you can finish this routine really in a week if you dedicate yourself to it. We're going to go from the very, very top. I'm going to stop talking. We're going to go from the very top. We're going to do it once. And then guys, if you want to try it to the music, maybe watch the YouTube video with me and the girls dancing it and try along to that. It is super fast though, so good luck. Okay, here we go, ready? 5, 6, 7, we wait. 1, 2, 3. Da, 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 da. Da, da. Bust it to the, hey, now, hit, da, da, da. Da, 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 13, ha, ha, land, out, like a light, like a light, like a light, slip through the flight, ha, ha, knock for the night, 8, 7, ha, ha, 7, man, ha, da, 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 5, and 6, and 7, crip, block. Made a right, cut the light, pay the price. That was it, guys. That was it. I can't wait for you guys to do it. And if you want, upload it on social media, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, whatever you got. Instagram, did I say Instagram? I'm not sure if I did. But upload it everywhere, tag me in it because I would love to see it. And I'll share it on my platforms, on my stories. I want everyone to see you guys do it because I'm super proud that you're here learning this. Good luck, have fun. Make sure you check out my moves and minutes tutorials as well. It will be perfect for you guys if you want to learn how to dance and bust out some moves when you're at a wedding or a club or in your bedroom or for the gram or for TikTok, whatever. Guys, thank you so much. We're back with the tutorials. You guys wanted it, you guys got it. I'll catch you at the next one, which will probably be in 2 weeks. Catch you guys, bye.